Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about an upgrade of a sound system that we've done on an Astra. If you are new to our channel and haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, already live on our channel, we've got a massive competition. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, we're giving away completely free of charge a PlayStation 5 disc edition, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the sound on your vehicle. So, however, let's get on with today's video. So this customer came in to us looking for a solution. We've delivered exactly that. Customer was after reducing road noise from the vehicle, but also having a new sound system installed, but we're doing this system in stages. So not all of our systems need to be done all at once. They can be done in stages, and that's exactly what we're doing today and highlighting to you guys on our channel. So we've done a couple of things. We're going to be talking about soundproofing to start with, then moving on to the speaker upgrade. In terms of the soundproofing that we've done, what we've actually managed to do is soundproof the front and rear doors using Skinz layer. Basically, it's a 3mm layer that acoustically gets applied to all key areas inside a door. That's normally 3 key areas inside that door. So you've got the back of the card here, then you've got a central layer which actually holds the actual speaker itself, then you've got the back of the inside of the door card. So those 3 areas get as much coverage as possible. We've got about 40 sheets of soundproofing gone into the vehicle, and then we've got the speaker upgrade in the front. However, the soundproofing that we've done actually in the back, the reason why we've done the back but not upgraded the speakers is so later on we can potentially, we've got a few different options. We can move the front speakers to the rear, then upgrade the front with an amplifier, for instance, or we can actually just upgrade the rear speakers as well. So you've got a few different options, and this is all designed and spec during an audio consultation. So this is a really nice way of actually forming the system in stages, but we have achieved by soundproofing the rear doors, reducing those rattles resonation, but also building a better environment for even the stock system to perform in. Obviously, it is still limiting us in terms of the sound that we're going to get from the vehicle. However, we're doing this in stages, so that can also be done at a later date, and we can go in and add rear speakers if we want to for that rear feel, creating a far better acoustic environment in the system. Then also in the front doors, that's all been stripped down, soundproofed to high heaven. Plus then what we've got is an Audison Prima speaker upgrade. A really nice common solution that we use that runs off factory equipment. Audison Prima range are the most efficient speaker on the market, guys, for running off a factory or aftermarket head unit without the need of adding in an amplifier. However, later on you can add an amplifier to run them, which is quite nice, very versatile range of speakers, and perform really nicely as well. At the moment they're bedding in, so we've got a little bit more of that to do before the customer picks up the car, but it's all hidden away behind stock locations. Tweeters are on top of the dashboard, 6.5-inch driver is sitting in behind a stock grille, but also what we've done to support that and build a better environment for that speaker to perform in, we've built a custom ring as well to actually mount that to the door. And all of this stuff, guys, is done completely in-house. If you are new to our channel and haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that massive competition live on our channel as well. With that PlayStation 5 and Audison Prima amplifier is completely up for grabs. So hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching.